Want to watch every out-of-market Sunday NFL game this season? With NFL Sunday Ticket now on YouTube, you've got two main ways to sign up. First, you can use YouTube TV. Go to tv.youtube.com, then head over to the membership section, add NFL Sunday Ticket, and confirm. You'll unlock the full season directly in your TV interface. If you prefer not to subscribe to YouTube TV, you can still get it as standalone purchase on YouTube primetime channels, giving you the same access without the extra channels. If you are a student, military member, first responder, teacher, or healthcare worker, you want to check YouTube's discount page. You could save big with verified ID. Verizon customer can even get Sunday Ticket free with selected plans, so it's worth checking your eligibility before paying full price. Keep in mind, prices vary depending on whether you're bundling with YouTube TV or buying standalone, and payments are non-refundable, so double check your plan before checkout. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.